happen. I've been thinking about a beaver flying away from us, over my shoulder into the sunshine. I was dreaming of rain, so this is way better. Can't believe it.
Deflating this to get into our camp anyway, right? What?
Look at you guys. You ready to go?
Let's do it. Adventure awaits. Just here. That bear was just here. I'll bet we bumped him.
It's a decent sized bear. You're not exactly a small fella.
So sick.
Well, yesterday we were able to land. We packraft about 4 to 5 miles and able to set camp up on a gravel bar here on a high spot. Got a good glassing knob above us. Last night I was able to see 2 big bulls. There's 3 bigger bulls up there. We actually saw a wolf too, so hopefully in the next couple days maybe we can have an opportunity. My buddy's got a rifle, so it's looking good. We can hear some moose fighting over here. Antlers clashing. Means things are heating up. Got a wolf on this other hillside over here. Came over the ridge right down towards this bull, so. There's 6. There's 6 wolves. There's actually 6 and they're coming right towards our camp, so we're gonna get in there and kill them.
Got it. Go. Is that on the bank? That worked out pretty good.
Oh my gosh.
Good calling. That worked like a champ. Half of them came right in. There was half that were skeptical and turned and went up, stopped halfway.
Kept stopping when I'd like bark at them.
Oh man, that worked perfect. But that brush is like, it's 7-8 feet tall, so they just disappear in it. When you see wolves,
It's a wolf hunt.
it's a wolf hunt.
Yeah.
There's no other way around it.
Doesn't matter if you're a bow hunter or not.
Doesn't
Let
matter.
me see that rifle.
Doesn't matter. Let's do
Let's
this.
go.
Yeah. Yeah.
I grew up in a small town in Idaho. It's one of those places that was super fortunate to grow up in. We lived on a single dirt road, and we had the BLM right there butting up next to our property, so I could grab any weapon and go to the hills and then disappear for the day and with just me and my thoughts. And as a kid, hunting was pretty much my life. It's pretty much the one thing that I was thinking about all the time. It was, what really pushed me to work hard and be successful in my career as an electrician so that I could basically afford to get to the hills and do the things that I really wanted to do, which really, for the most part was bow hunting. And once I was able to go work and make money doing electrical work and side work, I could really prioritize, okay, now I can do the things I want to do because I have the money to do it, and I'm willing to work hard to make sure that I can literally go to the mountains every single weekend.
That's a good bull.
Look at the color on that, the moss.
Is it 2 different bulls?
Oh, for sure.
It's like how it's got moss and stuff on it.
Run at him or something?
Let's see what he does. He's gonna try to cross and come right to us.
I know, that's what I mean. Should we go to the head of the island?
Just work.
Hey! Hey!
I don't want to necessarily shoot at him and make him decide to run towards us.
No. Hey, bear.
It's opening day. We have been dealing with a little bit of rain. It's clear and it's awesome right now. Hoping that it doesn't get too windy and the fog doesn't blow in, but right now it's perfect, so hopefully we can get a boulder respond or glass something up.
Not super satisfied with that. Had to be. It's like up there on that bench, huh?
I think it probably
Like
just
on that fold? Yeah.
That's right, let's get there.
Let's go over there. There he is. He's coming. He's in the meadow, down low. See him?
No, he went into the bushes. I saw that.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Just hold a little high. There he is. He's going into the grass patch.
Wolf. We heard a wolf up on the ridge, gave one howl, and before we were even set up, he was on top of us. So I think he heard us in the commotion trying to get on him and took off. And he turned around, looked back one time, and gave it a nice squeeze, and the safety was on. By the time I got the safety off, he hit the bushes and was gone. So that's all right.
Turns out I'm way better at calling wolves than I am at calling moose.
I think it would work just fine for a moose, but there is definitely a wolf tone in it.
Yeah,
So it's that thick bushes just left where you skinned that one, right? Make sure there's no other wolves up on that hill running away.
Wait till he turns broadside. Smoked him. It's the wolfiest ridge I've ever seen in my entire life. It's like they just keep coming out of the woodwork.
This is wild Alaska right here, baby.
Dude, bears that are like bigger than sheds. Never-ending wolf ridge.
Yeah.
Salmon, bald eagles.
Bus strolling down the riverbank right before dark.
Every night
in our camp.
Every night a bear walks into camp.
Oh yeah, that's a big dog.
Oh my God.
Hell yeah, dude.
Dude, that is such a beautiful animal. Look at that thing. Short little, it's crazy how much different their Arctic ears are.
I know, it's cool.
Like way shorter.
Light poles were up on this bench, so hopefully they're in there today. They were just laying out in the wide open. Get the wind right and get to where we can see. I can totally see why they'd want to be up here. Nice little bench, some springs on it, a bunch of willows, surrounded by alder. That's what they sound like. Right up. That was crazy. We circled this meadow to get the wind right. And he came in completely downwind. Could smell us the whole time. Just a small bull, but it's cool to know that our calling worked. I've been questioning my cow calling skills, so must have worked. Bear strolling out there too. Just spotted a
Unless he just flopped his paw on it so hard that the tail went up, because it kind of looks rotten here now that I'm looking at it up close. I think he heard us. Heard me.
Oh, he saw me.
Well, I mean, right there.
I just think there's a legal moose around the corner too. There's two.
Where is he?
He's coming down around the bush. See him?
Oh, yeah.
We just finished moving camp. We saw 2 cows up here on the hill. The night before we saw a big bull over there and a cow, so we're assuming that bull's right there, just kind of laying down in the alders. So we're slipping up here to try to get in range. We're about 2.7 miles from camp, which is a long ways to go and try to pack a moose out, but we think we've got options to possibly have a super cub, pick them up over here. But honestly, so far we've been on a caribou migration trail and the ground's actually been hard and not spongy, so if we can get up here and pack a moose on hard ground that far, I don't think we're gonna have any issues. Yeah, that's definitely the bull up there. Bedded. He's in a great spot for a stalk. The only thing I don't like is there's 2 cows down to the right of him. And to get in there and not get the wind right, we basically have to blow the cows out, but got a shot. I hit him perfect, I think. He ran out there. We just got some insurance arrows in him just to be safe. These animals are big and we had an opportunity, so we're not gonna pass it. So he's down. Body on that thing is insane. What have we done? Oh my God.
You got the mark for the case.
Oh my goodness gracious, dude. A little more than I thought, I think.
There it is. Rainbows.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Who's that? Good shot. Especially for unseasoned right now.
Yeah.
That sucks. Left my, $4,000 worth of gear on the bank. My most important gear. My piece and my binos. And my rangefinder.
How far back?
Oh, I don't know, half mile? Quarter mile?
Good thing it was just through a field, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, field of alders.
Come on, I want to hear it.
Well,
Little pro tip, when you forget your binos and your pistol on the bank and you're going back and you run right into a sow with 2 cub tracks, you just bust out a "You better find somebody to love" the whole way to the binos. I didn't want to surprise anything, dude. Jeez.
Dude, that's awesome.
Bit of a sorry one today. Trying to float downstream, and the wind is blowing so hard it's pretty much pushing us up. So we paddled most of the way.
I'm gonna go kill a
How's the
bull
weather?
with magic brush.
Weather's great. Nice and sunny. Slight breeze. Might need to get some sunscreen. Got me signed up for it.
Kill a bull. This morning, and just as we started loading the boats, we decided to do a little bit of calling. Fog lifted and we had a little bit of viz, and we called a young, just sublegal bull right up to the other side of the riverbank. He was acting real ruddy. It's on.
Hey, get out of here.
He didn't even care.
Made me nervous.
We better move our boat closer to our camp.
Shoot a hole in the boats.
I'm not, that was just a one. Thought maybe that would scare more than that.
Doesn't scare him at all.
Yeah, I got him.
Do you have 3 brow tines?
I can't tell. 1 second. Got him.
If he turns, I'm gonna kill him.
Okay. There's a 10, 12 mile an hour crosswind.
Take it. There we go. Take it. Yep. Nail him. He's down.
Holy crap, that was intense. Jesus. I haven't got that much adrenaline since like my first. I didn't know what was up, what was down, what was freaking left. I couldn't tell if it was windy, I couldn't tell if it was running away. I was shaking so bad it was like it was at like 15 yards with a longbow. Forgot how to do everything. Yeah. It worked. Oh my god, nice job, dude. You was
pissed off.
Oh, he was
sick.
so mad.
I didn't see the shot. He went, he like flipped some brush and went around, and I'm like, he's gonna pop out.
Dude, he like 330.
Where was he
He was
at?
coming out at 100 right here.
Where'd he pop
And then
out?
you started raking and he started blasting back into the wind. He popped out like halfway down that grass line. Dude, I was like a little kid chasing my first freaking tadpole on that one.
I'll bet, dude.
Oh,
I was getting pumped up. He was pissed, dude. I looked at
so
his
mad.
nose flaring, he's ripping shit up. That was sick.
Oh my god.
Where's
Now I
he
want
at?
to know how big it is. He's right on the other side.
Good work.
I want to look at that thing. Yeah, 1 o'clock, 2:30. We're about like 2 miles down there. I caught just a little bit of a flash of paddle. I thought I saw a cow's ear at 2 miles in the brush, and I was like, that can't be anything. And then one little flash of light. The boats came down like about a mile and a half. First one I think. And I was like, yep, there he is, right by the brush. And now I can't find him for nothing. Hop up over here, and after the last few episodes we've had with Cal Collins scaring everything over the horizon line, we decided not to do that. So Travis went back, did some raking, got that bull fired up. There's not even a break right there. Dude.
Dude, good work.
Dude, that is ridiculous.
Look at all that.
That'll do, huh?
That'll do.
That'll do.
Good golly.
Holy smokes. Dude. That's 60.
Dude, he's like 60. Dude, he's like almost 70.
He's like, what do I need? An inch?
Here.
Take it to the edge. Take it to the edge. Dude, I passed him. I let him run away. Because he didn't have two crops. I literally let him run away.
Now measure that little section with that.
So I needed like, it wasn't quite an inch. Two, 63, 64, 65. He's like 66 and an eighth. Ballpark. Oh,
Way over legal,
man.
dude.
Legal.
before we'll be able to boil them fuckers in time. We need to get out of here tomorrow. We need to try to get out of here tomorrow if we can. Ribs are gonna be great at home, but tenderloin tonight if we can get it done before too long.
Absolutely.
There you go. That's where I rest it, just like that.
Oh my god. Okay.
All right, you good?
Sure. Ready?
Yep. Up on you.
Oh.